Hello guys, welcome to my sister's YouTube channel. My name is Zil, okay, and I'm her baby sister. We have an event, a family event today, and my sister is assisting in the cooking with my mom and my elder sister, and for sure we have a full house. Yeah. You are videoing this orange thing. I thought you said Seddiesnowz. You are making moi. No, my wraps. It's very delicious. Come on, your boy. Yes guys, that was my youngest sister. I'm sure she already gave you guys the intro. So guys, yes, like she said, today is a very busy day. Don't mind my hair bonnet. We are still working and it's actually raining. You can see drops of rain on my sweater. So we have a family event, just like my younger sister said, and we are cooking. My mom's elder sister has an event today. Today is their 40th wedding anniversary, and we will be going there later in the day. So we'll be cooking and cooking. So my mom brought part of the cooking, so we are doing it. So please ignore the voice in the background. There's a full house, so we are all here. We are working, and shortly we'll be going there. What time is it now? What's the time now? 10:07. It's past 10 now, and the event is kicking off by 12 noon. So I think we should start having our baths now. That's my immediate younger sister. Today is her birthday girl. Yes, today is my sister's birthday, the one I was making the double strand twist for. Today is her birthday, and I have my cousin here, Sarah. Sarah, say hi. Hi. It's been long I saw her. She just came recently. This is my cousin. She's my big cousin though, yes. And then this is my elder sister, my immediate elder sister. This is our firstborn. Come here.
Hi guys.
Yes, that's my elder sister. The one that was catwalking during the Christmas. Do you remember that Christmas video we did, you know? So okay, that's all for now. So guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. I think probably when we are ready to go, then I'll catch up with you guys. So we'll be going. I'm taking you guys for this event. So that's the one that gave you guys the intro. Look at her there. That's the one that did the intro. Yes. So guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So guys, this is my outfit for the day. It's a very simple Ankara dress. Very simple though. But I adorned it with some stones. I don't know whether you guys can see the stones. So that is the belt. It has a rope kind of. I can use it if I want. If I want, I can just leave the dress like that. And this here, that's a birthday gift by someone very special. Yes. And then these are the shoes I'll use for today. So guys, I'll see you later.
I'm happy that Federico is dead. Those very old man. He took advantage of me. And he used my body.
So guys, welcome back. I'm now ready.
The reason he killed him. You don't have evidence to prove that. Enough already, Celestina. Stop acting as though you're the victim here. You just used Don Federico to try to get closer to Raheel.
That's my elder sister. We are all set. Dad and mom have already gone, so I'll be going with my sister, my other sister, and my brother. So see you guys. So this is my brother. Come.
Here I am.
Dosi, where are you?
Same as always.
Trying to put on my earrings.
Yes, she's still getting ready. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Let's hit the road.
Who spent a good time on the internet watching nude pictures. And because there are Bibles on your Christian. He may even go and hide somewhere that is watching naked people, but you may think he's reading Bible on his phone.
Daddy, mommy.
Those are the things you run away from. But because the oil is finishing and the bridegroom tarries, you are beginning to get involved in those kind of things. When the oil is finishing, fellowship will. I met somebody many years ago. He was involved in business very deeply. Then something happened, and we are not seeing him again. One of these days, I met him on the street. I said, bro, we are not seeing you again. The general story is that this family has affected many lives. Some of them are here. But since the Lord has not yet called them home, let's ask for more fruitfulness. But while he's still here with his wife, they are seeing the result of their labors. We thank you. But Lord, now we ask that because you are still keeping them, make them more fruitful in the name of Jesus Christ. The reason why you healed him from all those sicknesses.
Guys, we are at the event now. I'm sorry that I've not gotten back to you guys because it's been very busy, and besides that, when we arrived they were already preaching, you understand, so I couldn't vlog. I didn't want to look very weird and stuff, so I just came in and continued like that. So guys, a lot has been happening. We've been having fun, we're taking selfies, we're catching up with old cousins, old uncles and aunties. So we've been very busy, but Swim, come here, come and say hi. Come, stop jumping, come. Say hello. Yeah, this is my nephew. This is my nephew, guys. What's your name? His name is Swem Barnabas. So this is my little nephew. He's very sweet. That's it. Bye, guys. Bye. Yes. Don't fall, Level. Guys, look at what's happening. A lot of people going about snapping, catching up. That's the cake. Jedida, we've been snapping since you guys are just there.
Yeah, I don't know if you want him to say, wow, go on about Akubara.
It was one of my best.
Citizens at 7 and the citizens at 10 are not like any other news broadcast.
It's the big news hour, the hour for the big breaking stuff.
They've got some of the best
the forecast on the field, taking you as it happened. It's frustrating. With investigations starting by breaking the news that affects your life. Sport, entertainment, and business so you don't miss a thing. Experience results.
Every major news story is from perspective. So these are
Nice news. We follow the big and major.
Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired now. Guys, we got back about an hour ago, but we've been so exhausted from the event. We went to 2 different places. We went to a phone accessory shop because my dad wanted to get something there. From there we went to an eatery to get ice cream for my sister that today is her birthday. So dad wanted to get ice cream, so we went to get that. And from there, the other day I said we went somewhere else. Actually, I don't know. I'm so tired now. Everyone is exhausted because I couldn't actually vlog. I couldn't vlog very well at the event because my uncle engaged us a lot in a lot of activities and we're sharing a lot of things, you understand? So I couldn't really vlog like that. See, we are still working. See, everyone is still working. Look. They are not even noticing what I'm doing there.
Hi guys.
So everyone is exhausted. So I think I'm going to end this vlog now because there's nothing else to vlog about. I just want to rest. All of us want to rest. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Please share the video and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.